Hi, this video will describe how to add an equation to your file and to your Word file and give it a number. So I'll start with a fresh Word document. Let's take a blank document. Here we go. So before we want to write a equation, we'll create a table. So let me create a three column table. Adjust its separators according to your convenience. So in the middle cell you want to write your equation, and in the last cell you want to write you want to get your equation number. So here give your equation, press Alt plus equal as a shortcut. It will prompt you to type an equation there, so leave it as it is, and here you want your equation number. And so before writing the equation number, suppose this comes under a chapter, you want to include the chapter number. Say suppose if it comes in chapter 1, you want to add it as a 1.1. so what we'll do is, let me create a chapter before that. So for using chapter names, use a heading 1 style. Let me write chapter 1 using heading 1, and then it might have a subchapter as well. So that will be in a heading 2 format. So use heading 2 and type subchapter using heading 2. So now you have to give a number to it. So let us give a multi-level numbering. So here you have, when you go to here, you will have multi-level list, and this will create you, once you click on this, it will create a numbers to automatically to whenever you use heading 1, heading 2 styles. So here you go, you have chapter 1 and a subchapter, and they are numbered. So now you want to have a number here. Say your equation is first equation, and you want first chapter, so it should be 1.1. so in 1.1 the previous one gives you chapter number, and the last one will give you the equation number. So what we'll do is, we'll go to we'll go to reference and then insert caption. Here you click on the equation, and make sure you check this exclude label from caption, or else you will get it as equation 1.1. and go to numbering. Here make sure it is 1, 2, 3 type only. Here click on include chapter name, and chapter start with style heading 1, and use separator as period dot. You will have hyphen, anything you want, but if you want a 1.1 you can use this. If you want 1-1 you can use hyphen. I prefer a period between this 1.1. so I'll click OK, and then I'll click OK. So instead of getting here, you got it there, so no issues, you can cut it. I'm using Ctrl X and paste it here. And since you want this to be in the center of this column, you select this column and go to layout and click this one, so everything will be centered. So now select the table, because you don't want it to be appear as a table. Just remove the borders, click on no borders. Now you have your style, which you can copy paste every now and then to have it to insert an equation. So click on this one, and when the whole table gets selected, go to insert and then go to this quick parts. There you can save it automatically using auto text. Go to auto text and go to save selection to auto text gallery. You can give it a name, equation number template, and then click on OK. So suppose I'll have to type another equation. So before that I might have some test. So the equation 1 is written above. Next comes the equation 2. Suppose to insert another equation here, I'll just go to insert and then I'll go to quick parts. There I'll go to auto text. You already have your equation number template that you have saved. You can just click on that. Directly automatically you will get 1.2 here. And suppose you have another chapter, say, so I'll go to heading 1 and I'll write chapter 2 using heading 1 style, and there might be subchapter as well, so I'll use heading 2 for subchapter 2 using heading 2 style. Here write some text, and now if you want another equation here, so simply you can go directly to insert and that you have saved before, go to auto text and equation number template. Here you will get the equation as 2.1. so this 2 denotes the chapter name and this 1 denotes the equation number. So again, suppose say we wish to have another equation, insert, again quick parts, go to auto text, insert another equation. It will be followed by 2.2. so remember that you will get only the chapter name and dot the equation number. Suppose if it is 1.11 is chapter name and here it is chapter name. That's it. Thank you.